Monday Meditation, August 21st, 1978. I am at present in what you call a spacecraft, and yet, my friends, it is not a spacecraft. For you, space is a medium which surrounds your planet, farther than you could ever imagine. You see us as peoples who come to you from far distant places, unreachable and unapproachable in this vast universe. This is true, my friends, and yet it is not true. Those far distant places are within you. This is the paradox, my friends. The great paradox of understanding, which is not yet apparent to those who dwell upon your surface, is that all that exists in this vast universe exists in one place, in one time. Each of us, my friends, is in all places and in one place. And yet we appear to be limited, stunted, unable to move about in the vastness where all is created. My friends, this is not at all the circumstance which we experience. It is all but an illusion. In truth, you and I are all things, for all things are also you, my friends. We are all part of this vast creation, and this vast creation is all part of us. At the present, you apparently are limited, but this is of your own choosing. You've chosen these limitations for a purpose that has taken you through many experiences. You're here to learn, enabling you to find your way towards that which you desire. If you did not desire, my friends, you would not be here. We are here to help you with your desire. In truth, this is our only mission. Desire calls us. Were it not for your desire, we could not come. Were it not for your desire, we could not speak to you this evening. Desire what you call enlightenment. Desire what you call awareness. Desire like you are the evolution of spirit. My friends, these are one in the same. Desire, like you, is the evolution of spirit. My friends, these are one in the same thing. We come to point to you the single path that leads towards that which you desire. The single path is simple, my friends. The way to it, my friends, can only be discovered through meditation. The way to God, and by whatever name you call it, the way to the Creator can only be discovered through meditation, and by whatever name you call it, resolves itself to one simple principle: total and absolute unity and the dissolution of self. The way to God, or the one Creator, can only be discovered through meditation, and by whatever name you call it, resolves itself to one simple principle: total and absolute unity and the dissolution of self. For how is this accomplished, my friend? How is this accomplished? Painstakingly, through many experiences. This is one way. And yet this accomplishment may occur through time, be learned through time, and completed and complete and total resolution. It depends, my friends, upon your desire, and your desire, my friends, depends upon your meditation. For your true desires, by the awareness that is generated through your meditation, only this will lead you to that which all of you ultimately seek. Only that desire, my friends, to spend time in meditation, and the desire will grow. This growth will lead you on each step of the way on the glorious plan in reunion. Reunion with your soul. For as this reunion takes place, you will recognize yourself for yourself. For as this reunion takes place, you will recognize yourself for yourself, my friends, is all of us.